How to play music through your microphone. Hi there, today we'll learn about what you will be doing in order for you to play music using your microphone. So what you need to do is go to this website here, voicemod.com, and you can get this for free. This is actually an application that you need to download onto your computer or into your device. Then you just need to follow the steps and install the application into your device so that you will be able to use it with playing your music through your mic. So here I'm just completing the process, clicking on finish, and I will be routed into this page where I just need to click on get started. When I click on get started, it usually will route me into another page where I will need to sign in into the account. You can use your Google, Apple, Facebook, or you can just input your email. Good thing here is that no password is needed to fully create your own account. And then once completed and you have verified your email, you just need to input a few informations and set up your devices on what microphone and what speaker you're using for this. Once done, you will be routed into this page. This is the application. So what you need to do to play your music is go to Soundboard. When you go to Soundboard, you can just drag and drop the files from here, or you can browse into the files on the button given below. So here, for example, I want this music or soundtrack to be added. I'll just drag and drop this, and then it will be added into my soundboard. So I can click on it or I can choose on it if I want that to play on my microphone when I speak. So what you can do is you can try to play it on your end, and if you want to stop, you just click on stop sounds. So in order for this to work, you would actually need to use a platform, for example, like a Discord, or if ever you are streaming, live streaming, you can definitely use this to change or to play music on your microphone. So what you can do is on your profile, you can just go to settings, and then under voice and video, you need to make sure that the voice settings should not be on default, and you need to make sure that you will be looking for voice mod as the option. Here it does not currently show since I am accessing Discord through my browser. What you need to do is download the application to your computer so that the voice mod option will appear so that you will be able to change your voice settings. And that's how you do it. You also need to make sure that the echo cancellation is toggled off. And that's about it. That's how you will be playing your music through your microphone here on your computer. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.